Under the bright open sky, a playground bursts to life as children swarm around a vividly colored stage. Their laughter echoing through the air. An animator bounds onto the stage, his face alight with genuine joy, ready to ignite the children's imaginations. A palpable buzz of anticipation electrifies the air as the children eagerly await the performance, their eyes wide with wonder. The animator's voice rings out, filled with warmth and invitation. "Come on, kids, come sing with me." A symphony of young voices erupts, mingling with the bright sunlight, creating a moment of pure, unadulterated joy. The scene explodes into an animated world, a kaleidoscope of colors swirling into existence. Reds ignite with passion, yellows burst with joy, blues resonate with depth, and greens pulse with life. A corner of the screen is alive with vibrant hues, an intoxicating dance of light and shadow. A booming voice echoes through the animated landscape, full of childlike wonder. Red and yellow, blue and green, brightest colors ever seen, declares animator's voice, celebrating the visual feast. In a whimsical, animated world, vibrant colors swirl, painting a cartoon sky where the sun shines with cheerful glee. The animation pulses with life, each frame a celebration of the simple joy of learning. A voice rings out, light and playful, guiding young minds through a world of color and wonder. Paint the sky and paint the sun. Learning colors is so fun. The narration sings, inviting everyone to join in the colorful adventure. The playground children, now transformed into vibrant animated characters, burst onto the scene, their designs radiating pure joy. In a whirlwind of motion, they clap their hands, their laughter echoing through the animated world, an infectious energy spreading. Their tiny feet dance, each step perfectly synchronized, as they twirl and leap with boundless enthusiasm. A chorus of voices rises, clear and bright, filling the air with a cheerful invitation. Sing, sing, sing! Hooray! Let's learn something new today. Their harmonious voices blend together, promising fun and discovery. Laugh and play, come join along. Learning's fun with every song. In a vibrant animated world, a cute bunny bursts onto the scene, its fluffy tail bouncing with each hop. One little bunny hops so high, a voice booms, filled with childlike wonder. The bunny leaps joyfully, its eyes sparkling with mischief and delight. Suddenly, the number 1 materializes beside the bunny, glowing with magical light. The animated world seems to pulse with life as the bunny continues its merry dance, now forever linked to the number that appeared. In a vibrant animated world, 2 birds soar effortlessly through the boundless sky, their wings catching the sunlight. The animated birds dance in the air, embodying freedom and joy with every graceful movement. Suddenly, the number 2 materializes beside the birds, a symbol of their unity and shared journey. From beyond the frame, a voice rings out, filled with childlike wonder. 2 little birds fly in the sky. The scene encapsulates pure animation magic, where simple forms convey boundless emotion and creativity. In the animated night, 3 stars blink into existence, their light soft and welcoming. The animator's voice rings out, clear and warm, as he begins a playful invitation. 3 bright stars, begin to glow. Count with me and watch them grow. The animator sings, his voice full of joy. The stars shimmer, their light intensifying, as if responding to the animator's call. Suddenly, the number 3 bursts into radiant light, illuminating the scene with playful magic. The animated world pulses with light and song, a symphony of number and stars. The animated world bursts with renewed energy as the children reappear, their joyous clapping echoing through the vibrant landscape. Their tiny feet move in a whirlwind of dance, each step a testament to unbridled glee. A chorus of innocent voices rises, filling the air with a catchy tune. Sing, 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 hooray! Let's learn something new today. The animated children, in perfect harmony, extend an invitation. Laugh and play, come join along, learning's fun with every song. Their infectious enthusiasm promises a day filled with discovery and delight, where every song unlocks a new adventure. In a vibrant, animated world, a puppy's tail wags with uncontainable joy, its barks echoing with pure delight. The animated puppy leaps and bounds through fields of impossible colors, a beacon of happiness in its wake. Suddenly, a voice shatters the idyllic scene, a discordant note in the symphony of joy. Happy puppy, meow, a cat, the animator proclaims, the words hanging in the air like a bizarre spell. The puppy pauses, its playful expression momentarily faltering, as if questioning the very nature of its existence. Confusion clouds its animated eyes. The cheerful barks replaced by a hesitant whimper as the world shifts on its axis. In a burst of shimmering light, a playful cat springs into existence, its vibrant colors painting the air with joy. Its sweet meow echoes through the animated world, a symphony of innocence and wonder. A moment later, a little bunny hops into view, its movements brimming with infectious enthusiasm. The bunny's joyful energy fills the scene, a whirlwind of fluffy delight. An unseen animator guides the scene, his voice full of playful instruction. Little bunny, hop, hop like that. The cat and bunny, animated by unseen hands, dance together in a symphony of color and movement, a testament to boundless creativity. In a vibrant animated world bathed in sunlight, a playful monkey leaps from a verdant vine. The monkey's joyful noises echo through the lush landscape, a symphony of unbridled glee. An animator watches with pride, his smile as bright as the animated Sunday. He sings out, "Monkey swinging, woo-hoo-hoo. All our animal friends love you." The animated world pulses with life, a testament to the animator's boundless creativity and the monkey's infectious joy. In a vibrant animated world, children, puppy, cat, bunny, and monkey gather, their eyes sparkling with anticipation. United by the catchy tune, they erupt into synchronized clapping and dancing, their movements fluid and full of joy. Their energy fills the air as the chorus's voice rings out. Sing, 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 hooray! Let's learn something new today. The animated group invites everyone to join in. Laugh and play, come join along. Learning's fun with every song. Under the bright sun, laughter echoes across the playground as the animator steps into view, a beacon of joy amidst a sea of smiling faces. The children, their eyes sparkling with delight, surround him, their small hands clapping in unison, creating a symphony of pure happiness. A shared moment of pure elation binds them together, celebrating the magic of stories and songs. The animator, with a twinkle in his eye, proclaims, "Stories, songs, and joy to share, magic moments everywhere." The playground transforms into a realm of enchantment, where every corner holds the promise of a new adventure and lasting memories. Under the bright, cheerful sun, an animator gestures enthusiastically towards a vibrant screen. The words "subscribe today" blaze across the screen, beckoning viewers into a world of excitement. With a wide, inviting smile, the animator exclaims, "Subscribe today. Don't miss the fun." Children's laughter echoes in the background, mixing with the upbeat music. The screen bursts with colorful animations, showcasing a variety of engaging content. The animator's enthusiastic invitation hangs in the air, promising adventures and entertainment. A playground bathed in sunlight explodes with vibrant colors as animated characters leap into action. Educational themes come alive, swirling across the screen in a dance of learning and fun. The air crackles with light and joyful energy, inviting every eye into its playful embrace. "Songs and stories for everyone," declares the animator, his voice ringing with boundless enthusiasm. Under the bright, endless sky, children joyfully wave, their laughter echoing in the air. The scene slowly fades, leaving a warm afterglow of shared moments and youthful exuberance. As the credits roll, a lasting impression of fun and learning lingers, celebrating the simple joys of childhood.